Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mastering Tech Insights. Today's topic is data integrity, including constants, grant and revoke, and the some database security best practice. We will keep things simple and we use real world examples so you can relate it. So let's get started. Part 1, we will look what is data integrity. Data integrity means keep your data accuracy, keep your data accurate, consistency and trustworthy inside a database. In simple words, the data should always make sense and stay correct. Imagine you run an online cloth store. You have customers, orders and product. Now, when a customer places an order, the order should belong to an existing customer. The product ID must be valid and quantity should never be zero. That's why database maintain integrity. That's how database maintain integrity. In part 2, we will look database consistency. To keep this integrity intact, we use constants. Constants are like rules that make sure only valid data get stored. Let's understand the main type of constants. Number 1, not null constants. It ensures that a column cannot be empty. Example, customer's name should never be blank. Number 2, unique constants. The unique constants ensure that all values are different. For example, two customers cannot have same email address. The two customers cannot have the same email ID. Just two people cannot share one Aadhaar number. Each email must be unique. Number 3, primary key. This is unique identifier every record in a table. Think of it as your roll number in schools. No duplicate allowed. Number 4, foreign key. It connected two tables like linking an order to a customer. For example, if someone try to place an order of non-existing customer, the database say no way. 5th is check constants. Check constants, it ensure value follow a content rules. For example, a product price must be greater than 0. No negative and 0 price allowed. Make a perfect business sense, right? 6, default constants. It assign a value automatically when none is provided. For example, if cash payment mode is not given by default to cash. It's simple, very useful. Part 3, grant and revoke. Grant means give the permission. Revoke means take the permissions. Now let's talk about database access control. Just like you do not hand out your house key to everyone. Similarly, you should not give full database access to everyone either. That's where grant or revoke comes in. Grant command, it giving permission to a user specific actions. For example, your sales staff can view and add orders, but should not delete them. Simple, safer and controlled. Revoke command. If someone leaves the organizations or does not need access anymore, you can take back their permissions. Very simple. For example, revoke insert on order from sales staff. That's why you keep your data safe from unwanted changes. Very simple. Part 4, very important. Database security is the best practice. Let's now look at some database security, the best practice that every developer should follow. Use strong password. No admin 123, please. User only they need. This is called the principle of last privilege. Encrypt sensitive data, especially customer and payment info. Take regular backup daily, weekly. 5th, Use rules and groups instance of giving permission one by one. Enable audit logs so you know who did what and when. For example, at Economy Systems and my previous experience, we often design enterprise database with strict rules. Developer get read-only access to productions. Admin manage security and only manager can delete data. This structure avoid accidental or unauthorized changes. To summarize, data integrity ensure your data stay accurate and consistency. Constants help maintain that integrity automatically. Grant and revoke that you control your access. And security, the best practice. Protect your data from misuse. If you found this session useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. For more easy to understand tech tutorials, drop your questions in the comment below. And in our next video, we will explain number 14 according to our SQL roadmap, database performance optimization. Thank you for watching and see you soon.